Hi there, I'm Lori Calvasina, Head of U.S. Equity Strategy at RBC Capital Markets. So every spring when the Institutional Investor, now known as Excel, survey lands in your inbox and sell-side analysts and strategists like me start campaigning, I try to share something real that's more than just a simple, please vote for me. A few years ago, I sent an email, now known as the Little Miss Peanut email, confessing what it was like to be a shy kid from small-town Alabama. Last year, I filmed a tongue-in-cheek political ad that helped push us into the top 3 for portfolio strategy for the very first time. This year, what I want to do is tell you the story behind our biggest 2025 market call. So back in November, barricaded in a hotel near Disney World of all places, I drafted a bold S&P 500 base case of 6,600. But I also sketched a shadow bear case down at 5,700, just in case tariffs took center stage. Let's fast forward to February. The market cracked, clients got uneasy, and we built what became known as our 4 tiers of fear framework, a framework many of you use to calibrate risk and navigate the drawdown. By mid-March, our economists trimmed GDP, and I cut my target to 6,200 while keeping that bear case ready and trimming it as well to 5,550. Then in April, we got the Rose Garden tariff announcement. The 10% pullback floor at the bottom of the first tier of fear gave way, and by Friday morning, we'd formally adopted the bear scenario as our base case. So where are we now? The backdrop, macro-wise, has improved, but it's just not as strong as it was back in January or even mid-March. Blending the 5 models in our target process and the output of our earnings forecast of 258, GDP near 1.3% on the year, and a few Fed cuts starting in September along with softer 10-year yields, all of that points to 5730 on the S&P 500 at year-end on our work. We're currently at fair value according to our models, maybe even a touch rich. Upside risk is absolutely still alive, but I think the ride will be choppy. Long story short, I know, but this is where you come in. If our work helped you navigate April's slide and think more clearly about risk, I would be honored if you could head to the XDEL website and cast a vote for Lori Calvasina in Portfolio Strategy. Maintaining a top 3 spot keeps our research in focus and fuels the next round of ideas that we build for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you at the next market turn.
This content is based on information available at the time it was recorded and is for informational purposes only. It is not an offer to buy or sell or a solicitation, and no recommendations are implied. It is outside the scope of this communication to consider whether it is suitable for you and your financial objectives.